In our last one or two discussions, we'll be treating log. I'm also going to continue with logarithm today. Probably in the next lesson again, I'm going to solve past quiz on papers. I will come with past quiz to drive home my points on logarithm. Now, in our last discussion, we treated log of numbers where the character is by something less than 1. E.g., we have to find the log of 100. This is log of 10 squared in base 10, and that is 2. If it is log of 1.12 in base 10, character here remains 1 minus 1, that's 0. When I say, if you are looking for the logarithm, 1.2, the character here, say, to determine the character, say they count the digits, the number of the digits, minus 1. And so for this, the character is just, the digit is just 0. Digit is 0, number of digits is 0, minus 1, therefore the character is by 1. You now say the character here equals by 1. Now, if it is 0.12, there is no digit here. It's a digit 0. Oh, 0. But for character, I say it's always minus 1. It becomes by 1. So here, character here is 1. Please bear with me. The character is, the digit is 1. Then it becomes, please. The digit here is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. The character now becomes 0. But for the second case, where it is 0.12, digit here, there's no digit. So it becomes 0. 0 minus 1 by 1. Then character is by 1. Now, we also record that in squares, we want to find the square of a number. Maybe square of 16. What do we do? Let's start from there. So we're going to start from square of numbers and solve as many as possible. Square of numbers. If I want to find the square of 16 using fore table, my number, my log, 16. The character here is what? 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Number of digits 2 minus 1, 1. The multiplier is what we're going to look from our fore table. The multiplier for that. I'm looking for 16 under 0. 16 under 0 gives me 2041. And because I'm looking for square root is just the same as 16 to power half. So I'm going to divide it by 2. 2 goes there, cannot. 2 to this 6, 2 to this 0, 2 to the 2, and that's 0.5. Then I take the anti-log. Anti-log of 60 under 2 different that. Anti-log of 60 from anti-log of 60 under 2. 60 under 2 gives us 3999. 3999. 60 under 2. Character here is 5. Character 5 here is 5 also. 14004. Then the character here is 1. Anti-log brings in 1. 1 plus 0, 1. It's a count. That's like that. Now, if you have numbers, maybe 16 to power half times 144. This is the same as square root of 16, that's 144. What do you do? You use a fore table. You cut your number and the log. Number. But this time more than 1, so it's numbers. Numbers and log. For square root of 16, that's 16 to power half. What you do is determine the digit. Count the dollar of the 2, then the character gives you 2 minus 1, 1. Then 16 under 0 again, one more time. We'll go back to 16 under 0. 16 under 0 gives us 2041. It's wrong for you to call it at the state 2041. No. Pick numbers counting. 2041. Now, because of this square root sign, you are going to divide by 2. 2 goes there, cannot. 2 goes there, 6, 0, 2, 5. Now, because this 1.4 is coming up here, now number of digits here, we want to determine the character. Sorry, it should not go the same line with this. I'm going to determine the character here. The character first, count the number of digits. I say, let's say 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So the character is 2. Now, determine the multiplier by 14 under 4. From 14 under 4 gives us 1584. 1584. Since that multiply, we are going to add. Now this one will give me 9, 10, 6, 7, 2. Then anti-log. Anti-log of, now from decimal point you take the anti-log from decimal point. 76 under 0 difference 9. 76 under 0, repeat. Under the anti-log. Go to anti-log till you get 76 under 0. 76 under 0 is 5754. Repeat, 5754. 5754. That's 76 under 0. Then difference 9, trace to a different column. Difference 9 gives us 12. And you add 6, 6, 7, 5. The character here is 2. Anti-log operation constantly 1, 2, 3. So you stop it. Therefore, the result of this is 516.66. Call that example number 1. Now go to where you have some higher numbers. Higher numbers. If you are given 186.5 times 678 all over 444.2 times 333. What do we do? See how it goes. Numbers more than 1, then log. That's 186.5. The number of digits here is the whole numbers. 186. 3 digits minus 1, 2. So the character is 2. Look for 86 on 18 under 6. Not anti-log, be careful. 18 under 6 gives us 2595. 2695. 18 under 6 is 26. I have to do it here because I have to add the difference before I come down, bring it down here. So 18 under 6 gives me, once again, 2695. Then difference 5 is 12. I'm going to add 12 to it. It's 12. 7, 10, 7, 2. So what I have here? 2707. There's also another number here. So bring 6, 7, 8. Number of digits here 3. And to determine the character, 3 minus 1, 2. Now look for 67 under 8. 67 under 8 gives us 67 under 8. 8312. No difference. So just write direct. 8312. 67 under 8 is 8312. Now multiply, so you are going to add. But bring it here, 9. I said because I'm going to treat it again. What final surprise? Plus this 1. Then plus this again, 10, carry 1. 10, 11, carry 1, 4, 5. Take it again. 9, 1, yes. 10, carry 1. 10, 11, carry 1. Come again. 9, 1, 10, carry 1. 10, 11, carry 1, carry 5. Now, the same thing happens here. 4.2. Character here is 1. Because 2 digits minus 1, 1. Then 44 under 2. 44 under 2 gives us 44 under 2, 6454. 6454, 6454, 6454. Now, done with that. 333. The character again, the digits, number of this here 3. Minus 1, 2. So the character again is 2. Now look for 33 under 3. 33 under 3 gives us 5224. 5224. 5224. Also adding 8. Keep the answer here. 8. Keep out this 7. Keep out this 6. Keep out this 11. Carry 1. 3, 4. Now this two, because this one is divided, we are going to subtract. So subtract this from that. What have you? 1. Not here. Bring 1 here. 4. 4. 9 here. 3. Nothing left. Bring 1. 10. 10 and that's 9.0. Let's come again. Give out this one. 4, 11. correct? 10 like that. Because I took 1 here, so now 3, 0. Correct, 10 now. Now anti-log. Call it anti-log. Anti-log of 93. For anti-log, start from a decimal point. Because the previous ordinary number, like here, 186, I say 1806. But anti-log says start from the decimal point. So I'm going to take my anti-log starting from this one. I don't know how the whole number, it wouldn't have bothered me. But I started from here because the other anti-log says start from decimal point. So I'm going to take for 93 under. Always be careful not to use logarithm for anti-log. And even after using anti-log, make sure you go back to logarithm where you need logarithm. So for my anti-log, I'm going to take 93 under 4. 93 under 4 gives us 93 under 4. 85908. 93 under 4. 8590. 8590. Then there's a difference of 1. Difference of 1 again is 2. I just add 2 to it. 2958. So what we have here is 8592. 8592. Then ask yourself, what is lag character here? Lag character is 0. Anti-log, at the time they call him a mug. He brings 1. It's already donated a mug. Anti-log brings in 1 here. 1 plus 0, 1 is here. Now count 1 step for 1 number for a put point. So this is the final answer. The same number, I want to now take the second part of it, the same question, I want to change it now. As I'm to take the cube root of this number now. Number 3, I want to take cube root of the same number, 186.5 times 678. Right? This time around, we are going to find the cube root of the same number. We did it without cube root. We want to see the effect of this cube root on the same number. So we're going to talk about the whole process, except at the end, this year we're going to divide by 10. That's the effectiveness of this cube root. The effect of that cube root. The same numbers, log. The numbers written 186. Just as we did before, the character is 2. From 2707. The one 678. Character once again is 2. Multiply is 8312. We're adding. I won't add this time. We're going to get, as usual, get here 5.1019. Cross check, yes, correct, 9, correct, 11, correct. And the same thing goes here, 44.2. As gain 1, the character is 1. Multiply 6454. 6454. Take in 5333. Character once again is 3. Multiply is 5224. 5224. Add again as we did before. Gives us here 8, 7, 6, 1.4. It was too close here in the middle. Yes, distant it. Now subtract. Because this is dividing, subtract before you take the cube root. 1, 4, 9, 3, 9, 10, 9. That's what we had before. It's 0.94. Now, the effect of the cube root now is for you to divide whatever your result here is by 3. That's the effect of the cube root. Divide by 3. 3 goes to 0, cannot cross over. 3 to this, 3. 3 to 3, 1, 3 to 4, 1, with a 1 to 11, primarily 4, yes. It is now you take the anti-log. You take anti-log of 31 under 1 difference, for 31 anti-log this time. Anti-log of 31. 31 under 1. 31 under is 2040. 21. 31 under 1 is. So under 1 is 2046. 31 under 1 is 2046. Difference 4, trace it down to difference 4 is 2. 2. 6402. Character here remains 0. But until I introduce this 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1. And say before you place your point, count one number before you finally place your point. Although the character is 0, the last character is 0, until us comes with 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Say, count one number before you put a point. That is point. Let's just keep it. And keep with all this. I want to take what I call example number 3. We'll write higher. Example number 3. In example number 3, let's take maybe square root of 48.3 times 6,466 over 41.2 square times 332 and 4. Here the square root governs only the one on top. Here it's talking about square root, here it's talking about square. I don't know. So let's see how this one goes. You have to be very careful with this. Numbers log 448.3. Character once again, the number really 3 minus 1, 2. So look for logarithm of 44 under 8. 44 under 8 log. Before that 8 gives us 44 under 8. Because there's a difference, I have to keep somewhere. Final answer is what I bring here. So 44 under 8 gives me 44 under 8. 6513. 6513. Do it outside your work here. 44 under 8. One more time. 6513, correct? Then difference 3 is 3. When I say it, add it. 6156. It is here now bring the mantis. So the final mantis is 6. Now times 6 is 0. Times 6 is 0. Character again is 2. Now look for 66 under 0. 66 under 0. 66 under 0 is 8159. 8159. 66 under 0. 8159. 8159. Now these ones are multiplying. So you add them. This plus this will give me 15, carry 1, 6, 7, 7, 6, 7, 14, 14, 5. Now because of the square root sign, I'm going to divide this result by 2. Because the square root sign. So I'm going to divide everything here by 2. And I keep the answer here. Because I have another operation on that. 2 goes to 5 is 2, 2 remainder 1, into 14 is 7, into 6 is 3, into 7 is 3, into 15. 7, 7, remember 1 is also 8. Probably 8. Keep it there. Now, come for the one other. I'm now for 41.2. Let's see 41.2. And there's a square in it. Character here is the digits 2 minus 1, 1. Character is 1. Now look for 41 under 2. 41 under 2 is 6149. 41 under 2, 6949. 6149. 6149. 6149. 6149. Because of this squareness in it, I'm going to say times 2. Squared. This time this one give 18, carry 1. 8, 9, 2, 12, carry 1, 2, 3. Come again. 18, carry 1, 8, 9, carry not 2, 12, carry 1. Correct? Now 3, 2, 1, 4. 3 to 2.4. Character is 1. Character is 1. Point. Now look for 32 under 4. 32 under 4 will give you 5105. 32 under 4. 5105. Too tiny. Let me see. 32 under 4. 5105. 5105. I add it. If I add this product, because it's multiplied, so add. This product will give me 13. Place under here. 13. Carry 1 plus this 10. Carry 1 plus this 4. Carry not 10. Do plus this 7. And do plus this 4. Now, since they are dividing, this one is dividing. What are we going to do? We are going to subtract the result here. So this result from the one above minus the result of the one below. We subtract. This minus will give me 5. This minus will 3. Cannot. Yes, 6, 9. That will give me 9. correct? Carry 1 here. 30 minus that is 9, correct? What is left then is 6. So I cannot. I borrow 1 again. So one is this one will left 1. Add it again. What's left already? 6. And 16 minus that is 9. What's left is 1. 1 minus 4 cannot. So 1 minus 4 is about 3. It is now another for the antilog. Antilog again is 99 under 3 difference. So I repeat. I'll give antilog of, let's go by it again. This minus this is 5, this minus 3. Minus cannot, 13 is 9. 6 is minus 9. You will borrow 1, so 1 is left, 1 minus 4 cannot. And it goes by 3. Now antilog of 99. Now go to the next page. Be careful, be guided very well. 99 under 3. 99 under 3 gives me 9840. 9840. That is for 99 under 3. There's a difference of 5. 99 under 3 is 9840, yes? The difference of 5 is also 5 itself. The difference of 5 is 5. 5, 4, 8, 9. Now you ask yourself, what is character here? Character is about 2, about 3. Antilog, we're going to take antilog comes with 1. What I take here is antilog, sorry. I don't say so. Space here is antilog. It's the antilog that gave us this figure. It's the antilog. From here down is the antilog. Antilog from here down. Give us 9 this, 94, 8, 98, 40 plus 5, 98, 40. But the character here, the last character is bar 3. And even the antilog brings you 1. You can only reduce level from bar 3 to bar 2. And that bar 3 say add 2 zeros. I repeat. Antilogs, we took the antilog, it gave us 9845. But the last character here for antilog is bar 3. Even the antilog is bringing 1. You can only reduce the level of depthness, and this is bar 3, we are owing 3. You can only reduce the level of depthness by 1. Therefore, you say bar 2. In effect, you say this bar 2 means you must put 2 zeros in front before you put bar 1. Before you put a point. I repeat, character here is bar 3. Antilog comes 1, reduce it from bar 3 to bar 2. He said add 2 zeros before you put, so the final answer is 0, 0, point. That is not the final answer. That's our answer. 0.009845. That is not for this application.
Okay.
For example, we have 348.6 times, in bracket, 28.53 squared over 1.4 times 678.3 to the power 3. Yet, all of them under the fifth root. I'm going to take fifth root of everything, after doing everything, take them to the fifth root. I will start. I'm going to start with this one on top. Take this, and take this, and remember there's a square here. Keep it aside. Take this, multiply. Remember there's a cube here, we're going to keep it. Then before you now subtract the result from this, now you now take your fifth root. Let's go. 348.6 first. The digit here is 3, so the character is 3 minus 2. So I'm going to look for multiplier 34 under 8. Multiplier for 34 under 8. 34 under 8. For 34 under 8, I say always do it aside and then you put the final result in. 34 under 8 gives us 34 under 8 is 5416. 5416. That was 34 under 8. 34 under 8, 5416. Yes. Difference 6 is 8. Difference 6 is 8. Add 8 to it. 14, 2, 4, 5. So that's the result of this math. 5, 4, 2, 4. Now go for the next. 28.53. Character here again is just 1. Or 2 digits minus 1, 2. Now look for 28 under 5. 28 under 5. 28 under 5. 28 under 5 gives us 4, 5, 4, 8. 4, 5, 4, 8. That was 28 under 5. Difference 3 is what? 28 under 5 is correct. 28 under 5. 4, 5, 4, 8, yes. Then difference 3 says I am 5. Plus 5. 13, 5, 5. So bring down 4, 5, 5. 4, 5, 5, 3. But then because of this squareness, and the squareness is only covering here. So what you do, project this one and move it here forward. So this is 2.5424. Square this by times by 2. This one now. Square is only for this number. So times by 2 and bring the answer down here. 2 times is 2. Come on, 2 times is 4. So 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times is 10. Carry 1. 2 times is 10 plus 1, 11. 11 carry 1. 2 times is 8 plus 1, 9. And 2 times 1, 2. And come again. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times is 10. Carry 1. 10 again, 11 carry 1. 8, 9. Correct. You have squared it. That is applied. Now add it. Sum this up. Add it. 10, 3, 5, 14, 5. I'll finish with this on top. I'll go to run on that. 144. But not so the character is 2. So I'm looking for 14 under 4. 14 under 4. 14 under 4 says I am 1554. 1584. 1584. 1584. Now I say I should have bring it here again. Oh, sorry. 21584. And being straight because there's the one that I'm going to take it. Of course, please bear with me. Everything is cube. I'll finish first of all. The cube, this cube does not come on. I thought it was no, it covers everything here. So my finish everything before multiply. Now look for 6, 7, 8. This is 8.3, whole cube it because it's cube. Count again is 2. Look for 67 under 8. 67 under 8. 67 under 8 gives us 8312. 8312. 8312. That's 67 under 8. Difference 3 is 67 under 8. 8312. The difference 3 is 2. 4138. So 8314. This was 8314. 8314, correct. Now add. Get the addition here. Look for this 8. Look for this 9. Look for this 8. Look for this 9. Look for this 4. It is now remember the cube times 3. Or the rate of power 3. That's 8 times 3. And final answer, keep it here. 3 times is 24, carry 2. 3 times 27 plus 2, 29. Carry 2. 24 plus 2, 26. Carry 2. 27 plus 2 again. 29. Carry 2. 15 plus 14. Hour. It's right. Let's take it again. 24 carry 2. 27 plus 2, 29 carry 2. 24 plus 2, 26 carry 2. About it. 29 plus 27 plus 29 carry 2. 12 plus 2, 14. Now, because this is what we're going to reduce this. Minus, let's say minus now. Subtract this from this. Cannot bring a 10. 10 and this is 6. To 12, 12 and this is 3. 4, 4, 14, 8. What's left here now? 3, 13, 13 is 4. What's left here is 4. 4 minus this is about 10. Wow. I'll come again. If I add this, I'm supposed to get this back. About 10, 12, 13 carry 1, 14, 15 carry 1, 10, 14 carry 1, 15. Okay? Alright. Now see this one is owing as far as 10. What we want is like the fifth root. It is not the fifth root. The fifth root, we are now going to divide whatever we have by 5. Now divide by 5. Because it is the fifth root. 5 going to this by 2 point. 5 into 4 cannot. 5 into this is 9. 9 is 45. 45 carry 3. That is 6. Remember 3 to 36. From the 7 to 5 is 7. It's now we'll talk about the antilog. Antilog. Now we are going to take antilog. Antilog of what? 09 under 6. Antilog. Go to the next page. Antilog 09 under 6. 09 under 6 gives me 09 under 6 gives me 1247. 09 under 6 is 1247. 1247. That's what 09 under 6. What of difference 7? 09 under 6. Right? 1247. Difference 7 is what? Difference 7 is 2. Just a little 2. Addition of 2. 9, 4, 2, 1. Now what the character here? Character say I am bad 2. I'm going 2. Bad 2. I'm going 2. And until of next one. So you can only do it 2 by 1 from 2 by 1. And say Add 104, put a point again. And the answer is, therefore the answer is this. So we are saying that the result of the final answer is now 0.0124.